Well, I'm scanning the airport, scanning a lot of things going on. I've got this radio things. Let me turn the dimmer down a little bit so you can see things. Remember I said these controls were broke when I bought it. It was a tech special. Well, here's the two broke controls. There they are. Here's the two broke controls. And it was, although not difficult, it was a pain in my side, especially with my trimmer, to go in there and solder the wires and replace that. And you have to take this front panel apart to get back behind there. It took me 3.5 hours or so. I didn't take a break. Could have probably been slower or faster if I didn't have a trimmer, but see, now I'm going to have my hand on this scan speed. Now this is scanning real slow, and this should be, if it's going to scan. Anyway, the airport stock is really got tied up, but the speed scan knob looks pretty good. Another way I can show you that is right here in the memory. There we go. We got some scanning. So I got my hand on this knob, so I can turn it down and get it to scan real slow. I can try and get up. And there's also supposed to be a mod so you can make it scan even faster.
My brother is on the way.
Oh, right now I'm tired of hearing this radio part working on it. I want to play with it. This is that Icom R7000. It's a nice little radio. I like it. I've been having fun with it. That's a tech special. Replace the burned out light and fix the broken knob. And there was some other minor issues. It's got a modification in this radio. I traced it out as much as I could. Somebody put a PLL and a multi-vibrator wired into one of the circuits somewhere, and I don't know what that's supposed to do, but anybody got a clue, let me know. Thanks for watching. This is Rick in the Sandhills, a little tired today.